This video will show you how to make a very easy version of bangers and mash. I'm using a 1915 recipe from the Midwest, but in England and Ireland, bangers are sausages that are made with a fair amount of water and breadcrumbs, meat, and spices. I'm using coiled pork sausage that was made with a pork butt and fat scraps that I'd accumulated in my freezer. See the sausage making in the next video. For the easy bangers mash, cut the sausage, put it in a small crock pot, come back in about 4 hours, add your gravy mix, make some mashed potatoes, open a can of peas, mash it if you like. It's a very economical meal. If you want firmer sausage, don't use the crock pot. Fry the sausage first and just skip the crock pot concept. If you like this video, please subscribe and please share.